If you're anything like me, you like to live life at your own pace. Personally, I like to get up at noon and go to sleep around 4 a.m. And sometimes I like to eat breakfast at midnight. What? And if you're like me, you want to go where you want to go and do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. I know if I want to leave my house at 2 a.m. and drive 500 miles to see the sunrise at the beach on any given day, I can do that. Of course, I never do because you can't find success doing this content creation gig without a schedule. So today I want to show you how to schedule your live stream and start them on any device, a phone or a computer. But I won't stop there. People use different streaming apps like OBS, Prism, the mobile YouTube app, or maybe Prism Mobile. So I'll show you how to schedule and start a live stream on any of these platforms. First, let me show you how you should be scheduling your live streams. So here in our YouTube studio, we're gonna go up here to the top right and we're gonna click the Go Live button. And you can see that we can schedule a stream right here in the top right. And you can reuse an old stream if you like. We're gonna create a new one. And the first thing you're gonna do is add your details, which would be the title. And then next we're going to go ahead and add the description. And you want this to be a description of what you're actually doing in your live stream, so that it's as detailed as possible. And the title should also be a detail of something hyperbolic about what you're going to be doing in your stream. You definitely want to set this up so that someone would actually want to click on it. Then we can scroll down here and you can see that streaming software is selected, and we're going to change that for one of these later, but for now, streaming software is where we want it to be. We're going to go ahead and we're going to upload a thumbnail. Now you want to create a unique thumbnail for every stream that you do. It should be something that's clickable and related to the actual content that you're producing. This will give you the better opportunity to get more clicks, which is of course what you want. Clicks mean viewers. Then we can scroll down here, and what we want to do is click show more, and we're going to go and add some tags. These tags should be relevant to what you're actually doing in the video. So whatever game you're playing, whatever you're talking about, whatever it is, you should have tags in here so YouTube knows what the video is about. Then if you are monetized, you want to go ahead and turn your monetization on and click next. On this page, you can change your live chat settings. You can designate who can actually chat. You could put your chat in slow mode. If you have thousands of viewers, slow mode is good. It keeps people from being able to just basically message the exact same thing over and over again. It puts like a time limit in between how long it is that people can actually type something in chat. Down at the bottom, you can set up a trailer for your live stream, which is really cool. If you want to have a little video talking about what your live stream is going to be about to promote it, you can set that up here, and you can have a redirect, which will send people to a specific video once your live stream is over. Very, very cool. Once you're done setting all this up, let's go ahead and click next. And here we're going to set the visibility of our live stream: private, unlisted, member only, or public. Public generally will go out to everyone. Members only is for your members only. Unlisted means it's not going to be seen by the public, but you can share out links so that people can actually get to it and watch it if you want to share that. And private means that only you can see it. Generally speaking, when you're testing, you're going to use unlisted. Otherwise, you're probably going to use public unless it's a live stream for your members only. Then down below, we're going to go ahead and schedule our live stream, and you just select the date and the time that you want your live stream to start. Pretty simple stuff. And when you're finished, you just click done, and now our stream is completely 100% scheduled. It's just that easy. There are other ways to create a scheduled stream, of course, but none of them give you all the options that you need to create it properly, except for this one. We want to get it right. That's what this is all about. Once the stream is scheduled, all we have to do is wait for the right time. When it is the time to go live, we want to be sure we start our scheduled stream and not create a new stream. Let's start with OBS. When it's actually time to go live, the first thing we need to do is go to our YouTube dashboard. We're going to go up to the top right to click the Go Live button, and it's going to bring us here where we can see our live stream. We can just select that, and now we're in the live stream studio for that live stream. We're going to go down here and reset our stream key. And then we're gonna go ahead and click copy. And now we have everything we need to start our OBS live stream. So we flip over into OBS. We're gonna go down here into settings. We're going to go to stream and click use stream key. Then all we have to do is select the text in here and right click on it and click paste, which pastes our new stream key in there. Then we click apply and OK, and we can start our stream. Then when we flip back over into our YouTube studio, we can see our stream. It's got an excellent connection, all that good stuff. We can go over here to the right, close out this little helper bar and click go live, and we are now live with a scheduled broadcast. Pretty easy. Let's do it in Prism Live Studio. Here we are in Prism Live Studio. We're gonna go up where we already set up our connection to our YouTube channel. And if we hover over it, we can see this little script thing over here on the left. We're gonna click on that. And this is gonna bring down a broadcast box where we can actually set up a new stream if we want. We do not. We wanna go live with a scheduled stream. So we can drop this down and select our test stream right here. And once we do that, all we have to do is click on OK. And we're ready to stream to our test stream. We just have to click go live. Then we can click go live once again. And we're gonna get this box pop up right here. And we can actually go right to YouTube, and it will take us right into our broadcast studio, or we can just click OK and go into the broadcast studio the same way we did with the YouTube OBS version. Flip over to the broadcast studio, and you can see that we have excellent condition. We can change our latency real quick, and in a moment or so, our broadcast comes up. We're ready to go. We can just click close on our little nag bar and go live, and we're all set. We've now started a scheduled broadcast in Prism Live Studio. Lots of people stream on mobile these days. Let me show you how to start a stream on the YouTube mobile app. Now for YouTube mobile, there is a slight difference on how we create this one in the setup. So we're gonna go and create a new one just like we did before, but there is one different setting, and that's this right here. We're gonna drop this down and we're gonna select mobile, and everything else is exactly the same. Then all we need to do is open up the YouTube mobile app. We're gonna click this plus at the bottom and select go live. And it has the normal setup creator right here, but what we're gonna do is we can see this little red mark up here next to our calendar. We're gonna select that, and there our stream is. All we have to do is click on our stream and it brings it right up. Then when we click the go live button, we start that scheduled live stream. It's really that easy. Prism Mobile is so powerful. It'll allow people with less than 1,000 subscribers to stream on mobile, for one. It also has all kinds of incredible features that rival the PC streaming apps. Let me show you how to use it to start a scheduled live stream. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is open the Prism app, and we're gonna go from connect to live. Now, if you don't already have your YouTube account connected up in Prism Live, when you click ready, it's pretty much gonna walk you through all the steps that you need to do to get your YouTube account connected. Once you do that, this is the screen you're gonna see, and it just says go live. But you see this little calendar right here, and if you click on that, it's gonna bring up some options. And here we see our test live stream, so we can just select that. Then we can click here and adjust the settings for our live stream. We wanna do it in 1080 or 720. We can pick it right here. And once we have all of our selections done, all we have to do is click go live. And we've started a scheduled live stream on Prism Mobile. Pretty easy, right? Now, if you want to learn more about Prism Mobile, you should check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.